Meet David, a young man recently heartbroken, struggling to come to terms with the end of a long relationship. Sitting alone in his bedroom, he stares at an old photo, wondering how he'll move on from this painful chapter. To distract himself, David heads to a busy cafe, hoping that being around others will ease his loneliness. But seeing people together only deepens his sorrow, reminding him of what he's lost. In his pain, David turns to a close friend for support. His friend listens patiently, encouraging him to embrace this as an opportunity to rediscover himself. Sometimes heartbreak can be a fresh start, his friend says with a reassuring smile. Taking his friend's advice, David sets out alone on a hike. He decides to reconnect with nature, hoping that the quiet strength of the mountains will help him heal. As he hikes, David faces steep paths and rough terrain, each step symbolizing the emotional obstacles he's working to overcome. The journey is tough, but he pushes forward. At last, David reaches a stunning viewpoint where he stops to take in the beauty before him. In that moment, he feels his heart lighten, realizing that life is filled with endless possibilities even after loss. Later, by a peaceful lake, David begins to write about his journey. The stillness of the water mirrors the calm he feels within, as he realizes that he's stronger and more resilient than he knew. As night falls, David lies under the stars, feeling connected to something bigger than himself. He begins to see his heartbreak as just one small part of his journey, with so much life still ahead. When he finally returns home, David feels a new sense of peace. The pain may not be gone, but he's stronger now, ready to face the future with an open heart. In the following days, David reconnects with friends, laughing and enjoying life again. He realizes that his heartbreak wasn't an end, but a beginning, a chance to find himself and rediscover happiness. Heartbreak is not the end, but a chance for a new beginning. It teaches us resilience, helping us discover a stronger version of ourselves. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.